Guys, this is it. I've recorded the pickup, but this is the real deal. This is the Hummer EV SUV. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so right from the get-go, as you guys can see, black top, gray paint right here, pearlescent popping like crazy. Wheels humongous. This thing weighs like 10,000 pounds. This is the back seat. We're gonna check out the inside and outside. So can I fit back here? Let's see. Holy, high up. All right, so I fit. Let's see, let me get some flash, hold on. So let's see, I got the flash on. You got the heated seat in the back, but you don't have ventilated seats back here. Got a glass roof. Holy shit, I didn't even notice that. Glass roof. I have a glass roof too. I think you can take it off. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can take this off like the Bronco. Yeah, so like, I'm trying to figure it out. You probably have to drill in there? I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, so like, okay, yeah, so you pull that panel, pull that out. Shit. So it's like, I can't initially, okay, you guys know what I mean though, right? Like that, and you pull this, and you can practically pull this baby out. I don't know. You guys comment down below if you know. So back room, I have a decent amount of room back here. You got your cup holders right here. Boom. HVAC control module right there. And then step right out. There's steps. Sound system looking cool. Cup holder. More cup holders. Step on down. You can close the door like that. Pop this baby open. Passenger seat says Hummer EV. Power seats, of course. You better have it, especially if you're spending 100 grand. All right, so we are in the Edition 1. This is what this is, the Edition 1. I'm finally getting to see this. Let's see. Anything? Nope. Let's see. Anything? Yup. Check this. So this is the screen of the Hummer EV, guys. Amazing. Oh, the aux switches, instead of like being like up top like the Bronco, it's all built into the screen. OMG. And then you have buttons too for the HVAC. You got your hazards. This is something. Oh. Park assist. Can't really see the symbols. Park assist. Parking sensors, park assist, traction control, and heated steering wheel. Heated steering wheel actually has a button right here. You have a charging pad, I'm guessing, right here. Yep, charging pad. USB, USB-C. Yep, it's a pad. Like, you can initially take that out. Shift knob. Feels cool. I'll show you guys a better view. So you can put it in dry like that, like that. Doesn't go sideways, but park, just press park. And then you have your modes right here. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Hummer EV again. For the sunroof and shit. No, there's no sunroof. It's just a glass panel. You can possibly, maybe is this like a window lock? I'm not entirely sure. What does that say? Max view release. Wow. There's no freaking way. Wait, you can open? Shut up, dude. There's no freaking way. So I'm guessing you can dim the glass? I'm not entirely sure. Cause like, look, I can yank this boy out and yank this boy out. What does it do? So I can like, okay, so look, I can, oh shit. I should not have done that. Pop that out. Usually you should pop that out from outside, not inside the car. So for example, right here, I have already popped this out. So now we want to place it back in. Uh-oh. I got it. Hang on, you guys can watch me fix this. Let's do a slow-mo, right? Hang on. Cool. So guys, I just fixed this. I put fingerprints. I apologize to the employees here, but so yeah, you can take the panels off. That is really cool. I really like all 4 panels or just separated panels. In the Bronco, this is a 1 piece. I don't like that. It's really heavy too. In this, it's 4 pieces that you can take off individually. It's really nice. All right, so guys, we're going to continue walking around the Hummer EV front fascia, same as the pickup truck. It says Hummer in the front. You got your recovery hooks right here. These are pretty sturdy. These hooks are very, very sturdy. If you need to pull out, like, you know, anyone out of the mud, those are very strong hooks. Hummer EV. And again, you got the 3 lights on the top because, you know, it's such a wide SUV. Same situation here with the top. Let's hop inside the driver's seat. All right, here we are. We're sitting. It kind of has like the Blue Cruise, the self-driving thingy right here. That's what that module is for, to detect your face so the car can drive by itself. Let's mess with the screen a little bit more. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, I don't want to get copyrighted, so I don't want to necessarily record music, but I'm going to test the sound system. Let's see how it, oh, here. Equalizer. Boom, that's how I like to do it. Sound mode. Center point. What? Alright, I'm gonna try it. I'll tell you guys how it sounds. No copyright. Alright, so I can confirm. Yikes, okay, you guys heard that. Hopefully I don't get copyright strike for that. You guys have heard. Music sounds good. I like it. Sounds really nice. These are your door controls. Sound system sounds phenomenal. Both sound system. Alright, we're gonna hop out. Like that design right there. Cup holder. We're gonna hop on out. So what do you guys think? Comment down below. All right, y'all. So which one would you rather take? Would you take Hummer SUV or Hummer pickup truck? Comment down below. Let me know which one would you guys rather take.